Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Thank you so much for your support. If you even subscribe, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena, Orlando Pirates 1, Siwele FC 1. My brother, how's it?
Ngiyaphila mfethu kunjani?
Siyaphila. Uzwa kanjani igame namhlanje?
Igame namhlanje ngokubona kwami ucoach ushawe nje into encane. First line up. Imlimazile nakhona ama position ayi2. Kuwe position ye left back ne position ye striker.
Okay.
But according midfielder usikwazile ukumanager amabhola because nama loose ball beswathola lapha kumakhawula besikwazi ukuthi si manage igame eswini but I position ye left back ne striker ayisona esisilimazile mawuzokhumbula uqala kwesizini uMbuthu ubengena as a substitute ekwazi ukungena futhi akwazi ukushaya igoli ashintshe igame uHoto ihard work yes uyadinga ukuphunyuzwa but njengamanje isizini sekumele ukuthi ifoldwe kucaca ukuthi kwenze sisebadinga manje labantu laba ezuMbuthuma bengicela ukuthi engathi ucoach angaqhubeka amfake as a substitute aqale ngayo uMahopa because uMahopa yena sniper sethu njengamanje since siluze uSefraso Mabasa so all the way it's too early to predict ukuthi ileague seyihambile ngokwami.
Okay.
Yeah, I still have a chance. Amabhakani nje angabuyisa ithemba, angalahli ithemba. Sazobuya sidlale. It's not the end of the road, it's not the end of the league. Sangabuya sidlale ileague sangayithatha sena chance.
Nazo.
Yebo.
Siyabonga bot.
Ayibonga mina.